Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm revealing 7 powerhouse automotive tools that every garage, from DIY beginners to hardcore mechanics, must have. These tools boost your speed, multiply your strength, and make even the toughest repair jobs feel effortless. If you've ever struggled with stuck bolts, stubborn bearings, or lifting your car safely, this video is going to change the way you work forever. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Portable electric car. Jack first on the list. The portable electric car jack. This tool is an absolute game changer for roadside emergencies or quick garage use. Instead of sweating with a manual jack, this electric jack plugs right into your 12-volt car outlet and lifts your vehicle with just a button press. It's fast, safe, and powerful, often rated for 2 to 3 tons, which is perfect for sedans, SUVs, and even small trucks. Whether you're changing a tire or inspecting the undercarriage, this jack gives you speed, stability, and confidence. Number 2. Heavy-Duty Breaker Bar. Next, the tool that gives you superhuman strength, the Heavy-Duty Breaker Bar. If you've ever dealt with rusted bolts, seized lug nuts, or over-tightened suspension hardware, you know exactly how painful loosening them can be. The breaker bar fixes that. Thanks to its extra long handle, you get massive leverage, which means more torque with less effort. This is the tool professionals reach for when an impact wrench fails. It's simple, strong, and brutally effective. Number 3. Cordless Impact Wrench. Now let's talk speed and power. The cordless impact wrench. This is one of the most important heavy-duty tools for any garage. With high torque output and rapid hammering action, a good 1/2-inch impact wrench can remove lug nuts, crank bolts, suspension bolts, and more within seconds. No compressor needed, just charge the battery and go. If you're serious about working on cars, an impact wrench will cut your repair time in half and make tough jobs feel easy. Number 4. Professional Socket and Ratchet Set. Every mechanic, beginner or expert, needs a quality socket and ratchet set. This is the foundation of all mechanical work. A solid set will include metric and SAE sockets, deep and shallow sockets, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives ratchets with fine teeth, extensions, and adapters. From engines to brakes to interior bolts, you'll use this set every single day. A professional socket set ensures durability and precision, especially when paired with a torque wrench or impact tool. Number 5. Sliding Hammer Puller Set. Slide hammer. For removing stubborn bearings, hubs, gears, or axles, nothing beats the sliding hammer puller set. When parts get stuck due to rust, dirt, or tight press fit, the slide hammer delivers strong pulling force without damaging the component. Just attach the correct puller head, lock it on, and use controlled sliding force to pull out the part. It's essential for suspension work, axle removal, wheel hubs, and other heavy mechanical tasks. Number 6. Pry Bar Set. Next up, the pry bar set. Simple, but extremely useful. A good set of pry bars helps with separating suspension components, removing bushings, lifting or shifting heavy parts, bodywork alignment, panel removal. The long bars give strong leverage, and the hardened steel tips help you move or loosen parts without causing damage. Every mechanic ends up using pry bars far more than they expect. Number 7. Adjustable Wrench and Spanner Set. Finally, no garage is complete without a reliable adjustable wrench and spanner set. These tools help you handle nuts, bolts, clamps, hoses, and a lot of general tasks around the car. A good set includes adjustable wrenches, open-end spanners, combination spanners. They're perfect for quick tightening jobs and essential when sockets don't fit due to space limitations. Flexible, strong, and always useful. And that wraps up the 7 heavy-duty automotive tools every garage should own. If you're building your first workshop or upgrading your gear, these tools will give you the power, precision, and performance to tackle almost any repair. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more car tools and garage upgrades, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay powerful, and keep wrenching.